Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to put an object behind a person using CapCut. First, import your video into CapCut. I've got a video of a person walking and I want to place an object behind her. The initial step is to add the object. Tap on Overlay, then Add to enter the object you want to use. You can customize the style, font, and color to your liking. Position the object on the screen where you want it. Now drag the object layer over the entire video like this. Next, select the object layer and find the animation option. Choose In and select a Fade In animation. Adjust its duration to about a second or more. Then select Out and set a slightly longer duration than the Fade In animation. Here's how our video should look now. We're almost there. Export this video to your photo gallery by tapping here. Then go back and create a new project. Select the video with the object that we just exported. Tap Overlay, then Add Overlay, and select the original video without the object, the unedited video. Zoom in slightly to match the second video with the first. Select the second video and find the Cutout option. Tap Remove Background and wait a few seconds for CapCut to remove the background. Once it's done, adjust the second video over the first video. And voila! Here's our result. The object now appears behind the person. You can export the final video to your photo gallery. That's how you create the effect of placing an object behind a person in CapCut. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.